Matthew here. So, Beats just came out with their new Studio Buds. We've kind of been waiting for a good pair of true wireless earbuds from Beats that aren't massive, like the Beats Parabeats Pro, I guess. And so these are more of a affordable, but also a more compact design from Beats in order to have that true wireless earbuds. So we're gonna go ahead and just quickly unbox this, go through the specs, and just do some first impressions and a walkthrough of these along with some setup, because there is an app for this device. So stay tuned and we'll do all of that. These retail for $149.99, which is amazing considering that these have active noise cancellation. That means that these are cheaper even than the AirPods, the regular ones, and they're cheaper than a lot of other earbuds that actually don't have active noise cancellation. So that's really good on Beats' part right there. These are supposed to have really good sound. The case, of course, is a lot more compact than, let's say, the Parabeats Pro, because that case is massive and I wouldn't want to have that in my pocket. Maybe for the gym, you have it in a gym bag, but not in my pocket. These charge with USB-C, which is different from Apple. I know that with their Parabeats Pro and some of the other, their AirPods, they all charge with Lightning cables. However, I feel like Apple is starting to kind of try to be more Android friendly, because of course with their iOS 15 or whatever it is, I believe, they're gonna be able to allow for that FaceTiming even with Android devices from an iPhone, even though yes, it is a little bit different, but still Apple is trying to play nice with some of the other manufacturers out there when it comes to phones. And so this is a great example that it does charge with USB Type-C and not just Lightning. These are supposed to have fast charging and they're supposed to last a long time. I know here on the back of the box it says 5 hours with ANC on and 8 hours with ANC off each earbud. With the case, that's 10 hours with ANC on and 16 hours with ANC off. So that gives you a total of 15 hours, the case and the earbuds with ANC on, and 24 hours with ANC off. So that's actually about on par with some of the other true wireless earbuds when it comes to battery life. As you can see, I did a little bit of red with my lights just because it is Beats and their primary color is red. But these actually come in 3 different colors. There's your black, which I have here, your white, and then you have your red Beats Studio Buds. So you do have 3 different options when it comes to colors, and I'm sure later on Beats will come out with more colors, like a navy blue, a light blue, stuff like that. That tends to be what they do when they come out with new products. They have 3 main colors and then they come out with more, some camo colors, stuff like that. So Beats was known to be more bass heavy back in the day, but ever since Apple kind of took over Beats, bought Beats, I think for like $8 million, they've kind of toned down their bass and have more of a neutral sound. They're not going to be audiophile earbuds, but they are going to be very good earbuds for your casual average user. So that's also really nice. So we're going to just go ahead real quick and unbox these and then just do a quick walkthrough and setup of this device. Okay, so here you see we have the packaging here, Beats Studio Buds, active noise cancellation, and powerful balanced sound. Again, like I said, Beats was known for having bass heavy sound, but since Apple acquired them, they now have more balanced sound. Right here, it kind of shows you a diagram, the earbuds, the case as well, and then USB-C charging. These do not have wireless charging, sadly, but for a pair of $149.99 earbuds with active noise cancellation, it's not a deal breaker, I guess. And then you have, again, your battery life right here as well. And then it shows that it is made for the iPhone and iPad and Apple TV. However, you can get an app on your Android device through the Google Play Store that will allow you to have most of the same functions as you do with the iPhone and stuff like that. So we'll actually download this app since I do have an Android phone. But anyways, this is the packaging right here. So let's go ahead and just open this up. There's a little pull tab right here that is kind of iconic with Apple devices now. You no longer need scissors, so we'll just take that off. And just like that, it's real quick, easy, no fuss, no muss, anything like that. So we'll just take these out and take everything out of the box, and that's the box here. So we'll just toss that. And then here are the Beats Studio Buds. I'll take these out, and as you can see, there they are right here. Pretty nice. The case is kind of a matte finish, very similar to the, let's say, the Galaxy Buds Pro, anything like that. So that's really nice. We'll move the case to this side, and then other than that, that's all that's right here. And then you also get, let's see, you get a pretty short USB-C to USB-C cable. At least Apple does give you a USB-C cable, so that's nice. And then let's see what else you get. You get some ear tips. You have your small and your large, which means that the mediums are pre-installed in the box. So we'll just kind of quickly go through that. And then in the back here, you get some paperwork, stuff like that. And right here, you do get your controls, your tap or your press, I guess, functions, your pause, play, answer calls, hang up calls. Double tap is to move forward a track, triple tap is to move backward a track, and then your long press is to switch through the active noise cancellation modes. And then you do have a little diagram on how to put the earbuds in your ear. So paperwork wise, you have Apple Music, try it free, you have some warranty guides, stuff like that. You do have your Beats sticker, which is kind of iconic with Beats. And then you have kind of a quick start guide right here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and move all this to the side. I'm hoping that these come at least with a little bit of juice, but we'll find out in a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and download the Beats app on my phone. And while that downloads, we're gonna go through these earbuds real quick. As you can see, the Beats logo right here, very iconic. I do have the black, like I said earlier, but they do come in red and white. Nothing on the back, and then you have on the bottom USB Type-C charging right there. So we're gonna open this up real quick, and as you can see, these are the Beats. They're very small, a lot smaller than the Powerbeats Pro. And actually, I want to show you this real quick because it's pretty neat. It, just like with the iPhone and how you do have that quick pairing because of the chip inside, this does not have a chip inside that allows for quick pairing, but it does give you functionality like that, as in when you do open up the case with the iPhone, it does go ahead into quick pairing mode, and with the Android devices, it does the same. So I'm going to quickly open this up, and as you can see, let's see if it does it, just like that. And you do have this little graphic right here, so it's very similar to the iPhone, trying to give you the same experience. So I'm going to go ahead and do connect, and now it's connecting. Your device is ready to be set up, so we're going to press setup, and just like that, it is all set up. So let's go ahead and get started. I might as well. And there we go. Now you can, from here, this app, you can actually select which ones you have. So I'm going to select Beats Studio Buds. And so when you open the case, it is, or it puts this close to it, it's going to give you kind of the functionalities. It's going to go ahead and into quick pairing mode. So now, as you can see, this is the app. And this, for iPhones, is actually native in the Bluetooth settings, so you don't actually have to download a separate app for the iPhone, iPad, and like that. But for Android phones, you do actually need to do that. It's very similar to how, like with the Pixel phone, you do have the settings in the Bluetooth settings for your Google Pixel Buds, but everybody else has to download the Pixel Buds app. So And here you do have actions like your transparency, your off, and your ANC on, stuff like that. So that's really nice. And then you can rename your buds if you want. I don't really care about that. You can kind of explore the features of your device. So there's that. And then here you can change the press and hold. You can change it from noise cancellation to voice assistant on the left and on the right and all that. And then other than that, I'm pretty sure you will have your firmware updates. So when there is updates, you will have that as well through the app. But anyways, that will be the Beats Studio Buds. And as you can see right here, there is a little indicator right here. And then when you close it and it's not in any kind of mode, anything like that, it should go away in a little bit. Yep, just like that, it goes away. So that's really nice. Very sleek. Compare this case, let me get my Galaxy Buds Pro here, to the Galaxy Buds Pro case. This is slightly bigger, but I mean, it's a lot smaller than the Powerbeats Pro, but it is a little bit thinner than the Galaxy Buds Pro. So that is nice that they did make it a little bit thinner. And then let's compare the earbuds size themselves. One for one, I will say that these Studio Buds are a little bit smaller than the Galaxy Buds Pro, so that's really nice as well. These do not come with any kind of ear fin, just like the Galaxy Buds Pro, so just be aware that the only kind of, I guess, security for your earbuds would be your ear tip. So if you get a nice fit, you should be able to get good secure fit as well as a good sound with that good seal. So that is the Beats Studio Buds. So that's it for the Beats Studio Buds. Overall, it's a nice little packaging and it feels pretty nice in the hand. I like the size. I wish it was slightly smaller, but overall it's a lot better than those Beats Powerbeats Pro earbuds. I like the minimalistic view of them with just the Beats logo right there, and that's it. So anyways, I will take these and use them for a few weeks, test them out, see how they sound, and then come back in a couple of weeks and give you guys a quick review on these earbuds. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I post another video. Until then, everyone, stay safe. Peace.